How bag bastani e wo ni fi come ni akenye te ofele tenyesha. Yeah. She not in no way money what your girlfriend Mr. Ansa abomodi ake eta o some key elements of home management. Ke wo ba ke wo gba hisane. Wa denche.
Ke o ke ni bi na fio ni ha ni shiango. Kemi no bushishin wo chon tamo beni wo back facial ake wo shite alo wo shia asa shia ni fe ni shia fe ife fali wo ba kwe ni cheke beef ba ye shia wo ba kwe ame school ya ake ame teshio ya ame ju ame he ame kele ni na sna ame ye fe ready ame te school ni je stress like je pako ni oyi mafia mo yo ya ke mo be ni je ke ho be a manage lodge ba alo no fia no is put in place e ha ni what daily life what activities mo feel if you less stressful.
Okay.
E wo ke ni asane aye fe ni na asane aye fe like what to le ojuba no le akeke o te shile bi e o breakfast fe ready shane no fe ready gbe ke no fe ready no apportion le well le ne ke ni bi ne ha ni shi anwo ke o ba shi ani shi a asaje me like o chumi fe o to no fe ana ojuba e ha ni shi a ho fi ofo ne ke to enjoy ba I think bo chekenye fe ni na de kani ne kenye bi tashi ni at least nye ngbasane ye nkwe ame daily activities ame school ya mi na make kase ko ka me ngbasane keni bi e na me fe ha ni to enjoy ba sha ni ha ni shi anwo e wo ke wo fe ne ke majani bi asin o manage shia it brings about less stress ni ha ni to enjoy ba sha
Show ke o manage shia jogba o kulale jogba e ha ni hejo e jole ba ni e ha ni to enjoy ba shia yo matun maya se she dani no ma bia ke ye shia kramo be fan shia kramo be fan ye ni homo ye ni ai fomo alo shia samo be fan namo son namo esake efi onakai namo sake echunakai be na ni chumo jogba me yamoba yo inche no me wie key element of home management kake key element of home management bona ibi kome ni akekula shia do meji meneke mene
before ni baba no me ma add a little to noni wife
family.
I think lele we some but one key thing which they didn't mention is money.
Laja no ji shika ko che no fe onyinyoyi
Oda no is money because I mean in addition to the things she said having time for the family is one thing. Yes, having time for the family. I mean, you can do everything. But no fiano, oh yeah, no chumo, bad, no honey, any, and if you want to have time for the money, you must need money. Because having time for them is not just coming to set a room. I mean, you can give and trust. Yes, I mean, no, yeah, you are not going to. You get it, and you sitting home. It's not because of you get it. So money is one key factor that plays a role. And having time for the family, especially the wife. You need attention more than the children themselves. But you make it look like the children need attention. So I need attention more than the children. So that is one aspect. Okay. But let me come back to my own. Key element of home management, right? That's a planning.
Planning.
You fail to plan, you plan to fail.
Yeah.
So right from the onset.
Oh, okay. Fail to plan.
You plan to fail.
Wow.
So right from the onset, you should have a strategy. Even before you get into the concept of marriage or family growing, you should plan it. Even when the first child comes in, second child comes in, you must plan it. Buy a school. you must, as a man, I'm speaking for the men. As a man, you should plan almost 6 months, 1 year ahead.
And finally.
You get it. Because even with proper planning, you are likely to fail. How more you go without planning? You get it. The next thing is, after you have planned, you must put the thoughts together. Put people in line. You must lead. You are there for a purpose. So if you are the head of the family, the head has a lot of things. It has the brain, it has the eyes, it has the ears, it has the nose, it has the mouth. You are leading. You see before the others. So you must organize.
Okay.
You get it. As I know organize, do na kejake ake check. Ufo iwo we shika iwo wele onyenye mikeke. No, you must put the things together. Put the family together. You must organize them. The women may be talking plenty, the children may be talking plenty, but in the midst of confusion, you must show the difference.
Okay.
And it is difficult to come by that, okay? So the central point of the central element is called God, Christ Center. I wouldn't want to say much, but directing, which is part of planning, you can also talk about communication. Sunday bar. Sunday okay, amana Sunday bar.
We couldn't Sunday bar, Penny, Bedane Bay.
Unoshishi, Anugo Shishi, Umuri.
Then, if you went out of focus,
Kesaniko Bakrani. Sometimes there's a perception. Okay. As an imena no mishishi. Wife we husband and we are thinking as an imene and mishishi with this action or with this act. And then who shishinaka. Then confusion. And confusion can last for 6 months, 1 year, Mr.
Well, all about okay, way. DP, you know, by Helish. Sunday na why? You were twebolo, a lower quello any quarrel. Ake keji ayebuku meni a crowkue, bona betiano to ekomeko ni anyon, a handy wukue ye chiake, obato betiano to the bar, I call about plan the bar, call plan your gonde banish. Bona, Esake kenukue, what ye, what basani, Sunday bar. Kok ba Sunday, ne mofiam wet on top for ye shia, but feel, keke ikena gbamba. Ni body and chair, but all lamy cockamy young way. All lamy cockamy young BPA, a catch of a bay, make bubble fire, call your banash lemley, or your wokumi, bar Sunday, ni omowa, ni ovafe free, kaja BP. Yo, inche.
Another one who's problem solving. That's another thing. Can you show a bar? Even if you show a bar, you should be at the point of solving the problem. Sometimes you have to be quiet. Yes, at the greater point, as I know, you are not finding solutions in. You are still organizing your thoughts. Jack Ofedi, walk by Sunday. Find appropriate time to communicate what your silence means. You keep working at it. So this issue of home management, I think is a very good topic. It's a very good thing. You brought up. It's something that can be discussed. As I know when you're back, it's something extensively. You understand. So in brief, I think, unless you have some more questions, these are what I think the element of home management is about.
Yeah. Wow. Yele kek beneno. Keji mokoye. Ni lehun kesande ba ewie. Alo ke mefuba. Ewie lekemo te ba feten. E manage shia.
Kesande ba. We work at home. Because kesande ba una, you see, well, let me speak from my experience. I will use a caveat that whatever I say, my wife will not use it against me because I am under the influence of Komashiti. Right, so kesaniba, you don't discuss. It is a recipe for good. Yeah, you may not be able to discuss it at that point, but find a time.
Okay. But gamebake adamon bemli. Famongbe. Adamon bemini abuini do ishapa. Ewa murono ke
onye owie here
me
but oba wie here
okay ni ke bon ojimoko ni o ha asa na eto ya ni e ba no keke pen te ba bale ho ten
most of times many fear na car they don't make good decisions.
Okay.
They don't make good decisions. But sometimes too, well, it's a strategy. Mo fear mo ke strategy like a fear in be. Mekume works for them. Mekume it won't work for them. But in an appropriate way, think about it before you speak. Find a way to discuss it. Sometimes with time, go keep quiet on it. It may resolve itself. When the opportunity comes, what GAG? It's on TV. I may not say this, but the Bible said it. So you get to a time when you pass or something dream when send you. Now do community for okay, it will be a recipe for doom. There's one difficult thing that we the men, some of them, can't do is to forget. But forgive, be forgiven.
Okay.
But forget, they can't forget. But the more they talk about it, it will go. Because but if you don't forget and you don't forgive and you keep it in you, it's a recipe for you. Or Saniba at a major point in marriage or in home management.
Good. Saniba Yawa. She me amaba, yes I know. Okay. What quelle can be ne fin in natui into be conclon in chamoni sa ken ke la wi nke la wi wo gbasan ne ke la wi awon efe no ko yen mi lololo bona ewo egbe ake iji opo ni yan bo mo conclon mama ne ye na me ba wa ne ke manage like an issue here wan ya wo ba twemo yi yo Mrs. Ansa yo no mi eke ye shin akramo befa eju ni homo ni aye fomo eju e fomo eju e shamo ke ni bi ye ani yo epe ni chumoni alo eke e fatalo ke gbe kin bi e fen ni yo shin a ame ni chumoni.
Okay. Ewo makia ke yewo traditional setting.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yakusuna.
Yes. Abaki ake jo mainly yotiti nuchumoni. Ke ba le shia kwemo asin shia samu ni ahifomo ke ojuye shamo ke nakanbie yo nuchumoni. Ni kefe wo ha ni beke bie ni ojika me here fafio amewa wo. She in this our modern time, yeni ni bie sheni kefe eji allo it to be on the right path ke hi wawo ke fie na kan ni biye because bi ane ba na ke chuchukoni ye tasha ame ya no chumu ame no na ba fe jan ba tasha na me honi na me sasha na me kwegbe biye shi bi ane ni bi pie
chake e na kan aya hin kroma ke
na kan
forward ever backwards never ewa wanye waya
na kan ni ekule be ni bo mu ba ya no chuma ahunu ba ekule to ba sa no ba ho ni asa no ba kwegbe biye
gbomokome
ebo be ni o fe ko ebe owula hu ye o masebele hu e wabo kan fe ko jana kan da ni bia ne family system e mi no wo hie ni bi ba nye ya no smoothly shike o shife ha yo e komito wa ke ba fe be no ba na ekule hele ba mole alo no ko because kala komito e anu chumo e ba e kwashia e kwegbe ke bi e fe no fia no be fe tamo kafio no be yo e bigbili emi be at the end of the day ke be mbashia it's bringing about too much stress at the end of the day obana eche no be bole ncho wife egbo be bo no ke stress efe fo no be o kwa conclude show here pano ahyenshi o wa le ke manage shia ojugba ewo bia na be ni bi ya no ye jele mi ne ehi alo esa ake hi awa ye koni shia no kwamu alo shia samu fe aya no ojugba
mo ewo chame nyetu emfa wonye Belinda ewie jogba de enche Mrs. Ansa ekewo ewie ake ni chumo de mokome pe ni chumo sale alo chuchukoe alo blemakoni ehue ye ametashia ameya ameba ameno jiake abahuni abakurashin abafeni lokokura penny ebafe newo eye teka kya nakan ni chumo ke tuete ba anye kashi ne weda ke moko bejeme si amrone eni hingbe gbelemo ehye ni ma yale eha yo nye tasi ni taflache eduro di jinyuma ke we lagba ni nua ya son ne ba iwo be ni nu eji afa lehu eji afa keke si akula mo eyemu iwo ebi ake kedi ayeshi akula mo ni chumo ekomeni atuni ebaye bua ni shia mashishin ni eyeyin ni shia afe akono kedi boy pasia ni afala mekeba ameyin ame benole ke yo enchuwe isake nuwe yo ebuale bonafe ni eka ni tole ke mi gbigblemo ke haumo ke na gbachi mo bajule yo eno kedi hin wo fe na kan beni to anke yo be won ha ni ehe esha egbo ni ke esha egbo pe ke wo to yin won kwa ikonkron tebele wo yin pano akesin wo no ni wo fi ofin eje wo si mo kati wo die nche wo ba kwa ni jogba ni wo ba kwe ni wo ba chake wo dwemmo ni wo na akesi yo ni wo ke yo hia je wo nyonni si mo moko ni ba fata wo ni ba wo ni wo kura hia ni hia aya no jogba be no le wo e fata lo ampa hishin ke ameya kono ka me fel ta be ni wo na me be fe wa kono ni wo ka gba me ke ba hia yo inye you wala don o was an enemy ko yo Mr. Ansa bia ne eyo oya mi ekon she dani no be ni baba ya oba kwe benefit of effective home management of an edwemo ye ha mi bona se na mo ni yo hia akora mo jogbamle jogban no ele jogban tienche gbe iwo iche mo akele wie aka na adomo ngbe mi afamo ngbe wo ina iwo twi nta obe konklon ichele nyon kele tashi nkele pasane bona fe ni no fiano ni ya no enmeye ni hia akula mo aye emu ni kele wie ta flache eluche awolo etoin eke nu iye egbe ni fana de ya agbo na ni abo mo kwa manie de ba shi ono ni wo kekula ahia
question them answer in this about 2 or 3 4 first one depending on who partner no kele yo so I know kwani bi komeni isu
okay
ndi komeni isu and then your well-being as a family is another factor. Before master take you are the best counselor. You will need problem happen to you are the best counselor. And also say it's not bad running out finding a counselor to talk to, but to know that you are the best counselor.
Okay, but we let you mo ke chonlo.
Yes.
Dienche.
Fantem yo ba wi akeshi ni otini jano hunu nim se na jana si hye nefa.
Anukwale monita la le na boni la sha mo ha.
Yeah. I would never encourage abusive home. Where I mean they are secondary training, all those things. But in as much as I'm advising you not to hurriedly go outside and go and get a counselor, in certain instances, yes, you can go and get a counselor. Go outside, not to buy. Find out who the person you are is. Some men don't want their issues out.
True.
Don't want to see their issues out. You going to get no a counselor, no. You won't find any counselor who is that in good. And if you want to chat away back, call down no advice me, you should have money more than call down no advice me.
Hey, Wale.
You should have money more than you buy Benz before. You get swimming pool for house. You buy Rolls Royce. So those things are key. Find out who is coming to counsel you, because the person is coming to give you a version of a story that suits them.
Okay.
And not you. Ni obo counseling to how are you going to apply it? One. So you hurriedly went out. Is that what your partner wants?
No.
If that is not what your partner wants, you are the best counselor to yourself. Find out where the problem is coming from. Find how to speak to his heart or her heart. If all this thing fails, then you need external source. But the external source is not any ordinary source. Okay, there's some riffraff somewhere in some you get it, you may be channeling, you may be crying on the wrong shoulder. Yes. Is there a shoulder to cry on? I don't want to use the ending word, but if you cry on the wrong shoulder, you get wrong answers. So yes, you can run out, but find out who the persona you live with. How do they address things? Do they like it that way? If you get somebody in to resolve the matter, whoever is feeding you with that counseling, audit the words, apply it a way that will suit you. If it's abusive home, then don't think twice, run for help. If it's not abusive and you can manage it, just an offend, you run outside, and then you go to people who say you are even bigger than, or you even have some substance more than. And one thing, if you have no solution, everything appears to be good. If you are desperate for solution, everything you will see it to be, unless it fail you a couple of times down. That's why it's not advisable to quickly run out. First assess yourself. Who am I with? If it is beyond, find someone where you are sure. There are counselors out there, nobody will come out. There are uncles, there are people that they like your interest. Not people who you see them because you will last month they wore white shirts, they may even like what you have. You get it? So it depends on how you want to manage the situation, whether you want to run out, but I believe that you are the best counselor. See yourself, find the problem and solve it before you run outside.
Before you run outside. You be chemikanyeme. I guess you are the best counselor. Mokumoko be ni ebawie kechonbo. Botienche. Obawie kechonyi. Nike ofe na kan ebaye oboabo. Solomofiamo eni achoseleye. Solomofiamo eni ashinomo. Be wo keji obaya komo akeshi. Oshi machine alo bintin elo kele yo oshiya. Ke okesani ejepuwe enwena alo enwo ena. Keji enwo ena. Kwamo beni obafe ni eye ebuabo. Ona moko ke efe fonde we suit ke libi ne ya iba. Ni odwen ake le ke okosani ete ba hwian bo ekole na no ya no ni nyose enopo edafo no wo botienche ba nye okoye awie ni no fia no ba ye emu ke habo yo manye eno mi won wie mene benefit of effective home management ke ake benefit of effective home management benoni achon ni akekura shia joba nini ni eyeboa ofane am ye kome dani obaba mi ni iche hu ase wo bi efe eta ni okay ona agbewie mo aba ni ogwo meni ameshia egbe apo anafe ehin na apo amo ogwo amenga shikagbena bi chose mo gbena ye ni ngocha mo gbena woni afe ni shia ni etoto na ilaje isa eba ekon yo nye
okay there were benefits ni how ekoji a reduce of stress some of the in earlier on care okra alo o manage ocean ojuba e hani stress abaka near your family and it's improve your physical and mental health being because that no fear no ni ocean ato le na alo ato bena bejiano ojuba e wo mo fear mo ni ocean ye mention it reduces stress. Next one, a preserve or property as in care shia no fiano je ojugba that being o property alone bi no yo yehia e clean as in yen kwala ojugba e wo no kofite because nye manage shia ojugba e wonye properties can be fe nye yo shia fe kai na asaneka e wo ke bale na kai nye ni bi nye yo shia nye onye preserve all nature aha ni e ko hunji nye go as in nye family we ku e no nye ke fonye here akenye ba fe nye onye achieve because nye to ni bi fe na ojugba e wo onye go nye ke fonye here nye onye nye achieve at the end of the day no na asanye fe nye onye feel ojugba shikashia a toko ni bi ano ni bi jogba no fi obasa e wo at the end of the day oba na ke even shika no talk foshi alo no ko ni o talk foshi ni o ke ba fe no ko e oba use ni o plan kwa ke oba use aha egbena hu ehani nye shia organizing feel ojugba because nye to nye ni bi na ojugba nye na space ni be ke bi ba hwe space na ba wo space na ke ba fe no fiano because shia mo fe mo ba betemi e ba na ke jeme asaje ojugba no fiano ni yo shia mi ye ojugba e wo ke wo manage oshia alo okra oshia ojugba it improves stress alo it reduces stress it improves property maintenance it helps you achieve your goals and then it helps you organize your space very well
so keji oto oshia bejano to jogba bona ake ewabo ni ogboshini alo no ni ojo ni ofeye opayi egwabo ni eha ni tole abaka ono ni no ni woku enye ka fonye hie akenye ntawo nyiri ni ahye no nye ni ne show no e wonye ha ni woto a wohia pedi ano to jogba boni afi keji be fale she wo ba nya ke mi she ka boko bi wa ke ni gbe wo chon na yo ba gba chon la ke nye se ne ya yin komo adwen no Mrs. Belinda ansa ike wa ke shi ke wo to wohia no jogba no fian ni fi yo eyo emu yo Mrs. Ansa dan ma ba Mr. Ansa no me ta wa ke ogbo ye fenga ye ni ameha ni shia efe hiriri wo amenga bo na fe ni shia jo ke nu e ba de ta shia de ka ya mami ya wa maite wo bi Sunday akoko Sunday na gbe Sunday abani ogbo wocheme ke wonyeme fenga ye shia kolamo be fan boni abafe ye nyumo jamo shika Sunday mi bo mocho ewale na momle agbene ke mo keshramo ye na nyobo te wana fe ni shia kolamo ayem
time e wo ma feel it go feel it fast you know a summary of no we how to manage the home. You see, my wife sister actually sister Angie. I remember there was a time the only days I know we are stubborn a lot of problems. Yeah. But anytime my auntie Angie my reports can like sorry. So it got to a time I was like everything go and pray, everything go and pray. You just go and pray. We have problem at time when we can go and pray. Until it got to a time I realized that what that woman is saying is actually the source. That is the real source. So in the midst of confusion, when it comes to finances, when it comes to we can be your wayward, when it comes to Master, go and pray. Manima have a lot of things, man, be people at the bottom line is go and pray.
Go and pray.
Speak to your maker. That is the best. I will advise all men who are going through a lot. Yes, you are praying, you are not getting results. But that is not the end. Pray till something happens. And still have the faith. Because the devil is against that union that you are in. And that is the only way the gospel will be propagated. So anything possible he will do to bring that union down, he will do it. And until I encountered problems, I thought I was tough in Christ. Maybe I want something to me. The little things that you disregard are what's to use against you. So go and pray. Finances, struggles, everything. If you are the man and you are a man of God, everybody is a man of God. Use that position, pray, put your family together. Things will work out. Wrapping up, everybody listening, everybody watching us, the only solution is God. God sent and every family, crisis, but everything will be fine.
Sure. Everything will be fine. The only solution is God. Ewo cheme ya no wosoya ni opeleje money here wo ya wo ba money bowo ke wo wasane e benye e ba ye e hawo no fia no ba fe so enjoy Mr. Ansa nyombo ajobu yo Mrs. Ansa.
Okay, no ni me homa yue jake akaye ni wo yo hia wo ni wo ko hia ni hia no ya ojuba wo manage hia ni hia afiofo ewo woni wo ha ni hia afiofo ni hia afio ojuba eji wo gbe fa chin oba fe sho ake no ni sa ake oba fe hia oba fe no ojuba ke ebale ake wo me hu wo ba kwa mi wo ke wo hia afo shi ni wo kwa mi ojuba ake ka me te na me ba wo fe sho ake da gbe hia fe fali ke atani ke beni o baba ke no ni atani o ngolo no ko ebo mo fe sho ake wo o here always say you have a smiling face kuni da gbe ka me ho ameje na me ba amemi a sharp because wo no ni ka me ba na wo hia na me mi sho amehe e wo wo kwa ni wo kwa gbe ke bi ehu ameya ka me ba ni wo fe sho ake wo put me on the right path tamo bene ke da gbe e hia ke wo hani family efe wo ba together koni wasoli ke wo no fia no to numbo hie no fia no ya no juba she asiye wo facial ke wo shia is always clean ke wo manage no juba there will always be happiness in the house.
Amen. You want job ake ye wo facial ke ta ne to enjole yeshia wo kwa wo ma gbe fan wo bia wo ka wo gbe fan no ni sa ke wo feel ake ye ni shiango wosone nyane wo fiale jogba ni eba ye eboawo yo ablaya bi wo boy ni wo ka mi ye be ne wo ye Mr. Ansa fatalo make egbogbo he kan lo di Mrs. Ansa wo ye Mr. Godfred ke Mrs. Belinda amefe amema Ansa nyongo ajo nye pi Mr. Godfred Ansa enliake eji legal service license many and technical system many consultant yeah
Alex Legacy.
Okay, you my job
few administrations can have government agencies.
Oh okay so you my job that ni Mrs. Belinda Ansa egbe de cheji Belinda na fofo abe anti fofo nyuma ajobu fofo ye nyuma mo inte twa me je bo pe ko wo fian inte twa me ni no fian no ni kanya hie akenye ba twenwe eya no ni ehwere kwanfe kpan ni nyegbla nyungo ahani eba hwenyenye mi bi mo e wale ahanye ngmene woje shishi woke ngmene eje shishi be konkron wo ba sa wo foni de ni wagbasane wo bote no ni mi kolofe ne ni mambi fe ni ameshia egbe je no pele bi baba won ya no yi ni we ha ni me fite mi kenye ke wagbasane ye aba botwe na me kwa ya fe mo mi ni eba ye epoa mi nyomo acho onye yo abiade avi wakashida pele mi ha ni fe ake nyeke wo eye be te wo ba keten oti a logo ni eba eyeche ofele de siche oklenye mpomawu moni bonwen me boshepon le ede yo le no eba kwawo no ni oti ba ya eba asa e alogo ekon nke ngamo pele me ha ni gonti wo CEO of this media inche men salute bono insole mo ke fa ipa mo ya ke ni le ke dwomo ni yo wa ke ha bodo ke to le ke ni chumo no hihie e ya no no ne drobo nwe ni le bona fe ni chumo ne aya hin feneke ni olumo yele mi nwe anna ake oji David lele oba yelumo ke mo shi nyo ma chobo yo ablada bi akyo menochi oba akpe nyeke shia kwemo
Mashi TV, ajatwe nme kemen